Hello, everyone. I am here today to share a deep conviction. The Haitian women are pillars of our future, capable of guiding Haiti towards peace and reconciliation.
My mother, a woman of exceptional influence, has always inspired me with her unwavering courage, her exemplary spirit of service, and her overflowing generosity. Her example showed me that Haitian women can exert the influence necessary to transform our society. Women educate our children and maintain our families, often alone. They are therefore perfectly positioned to teach the values of forgiveness and reconciliation. Historically, female figures like Esther and Deborah in sacred texts played key roles in deliverance and justice. Our Haitian women can be our modern Esther and Deborah.
Globally, women have led peace efforts, including in Colombia, India, Uganda, Bosnia, and Rwanda. These international examples show that women are often at the forefront of reconciliation. International organizations, such as UN Women, recognize the essential role of women in peace-building through their inclusive and empathetic approach.
In Haiti, we have a pool of women leaders, educators, and mothers who can shape a culture of peace, forgiveness, and reconciliation, as well as a future where understanding and tolerance reign.
Recent examples, such as Eartha Pascal Trujillo, Haiti's first female president, illustrate how female leadership can ensure a peaceful and effective political transition.
The World Bank recently highlighted Haitian women who succeed in various sectors, thus showing that the potential of our women to positively influence our society is immense.
Their ability to listen, to empathize, and to forgive inspires all those who aspire to a more just and peaceful Haiti. Their intuition about forgiveness as an act of liberation is fundamental. I call on you, Haitian women, to embrace this role of promoters of forgiveness and reconciliation, educators and leaders. Your influence is crucial for the flowering of unity and lasting peace in our country.
Together, let us strengthen our commitment to forgiveness and reconciliation for peace. With the commitment and leadership of women, we will rise to the challenges to influence the present with a view to paving the way for a better life for future generations in Haiti. Thanks.